Hello friends, welcome to the series Glimpses of 75 members of Constituent Assembly. In the present episode, we will see the personality A T Pillai. He was born on 15th of July 1885 in Thiruvananthapuram, Kerala. He graduated with the Bachelor's Arts degree and then started teaching at a school in Thiruvananthapuram. After receiving his law degree, he started practicing as an advocate in Thiruvananthapuram. He joined the Constituent Assembly as a representative of the princely state of Travancore. He spoke on various issues in assembly, like he spoke on division of powers between the states and the union. He wanted Parliament to adopt progressive laws which were already in the existence in the states. So we are thankful to him for his contribution in the making of the Constitution of India. Thank you.